Hello, it's Lee here from Webber's Estate Agents and welcome to Flat 3 Stella Maris, a fantastic 2-bedroom first floor flat with these magnificent views over the inner harbour. So Flat 3 Stella Maris is a really lovely 2-bedroom first floor flat situated in this incredible location. We're right in the heart of the harbour area here, as you'll see in behind me. You can't get much closer to the inner harbour, and when the water is in the harbour like it is today, there's nothing better in the town, I can assure you. Now, this property is conveniently located to all of the many shops, bars, cafes, restaurants, the theatre and the lovely beaches that Ilfracombe has to offer. Now, the flat is perfect as a low maintenance permanent home, or alternatively, as the current owners use it, as a very successful holiday letting venture. Again, the location here, right in the heart of the harbour, is perfect for those looking for that escape to the seaside. The flat has this superb 27-foot long living, dining and kitchen space with the bay window at the end, which perfectly frames those magnificent views in over the harbour. There's a little feature fireplace which provides another focal point to the room as well. The kitchen is well equipped with a range of built-in appliances, and there's the breakfast bar which provides a lovely little dining area. So we're now out at the rear of the building and we're in the main bedroom. Now, this main bedroom is a lovely double-sized room, and as you'll see, we've got exquisite views once more, but this time from the rear of the building out over the Bristol Channel and towards the distant Welsh coastline. Now, bedroom 2 is located at the front of the flat and again enjoys the fabulous views into the inner harbour and across the water. So there we are, that's Flat 3 Stella Maris, and I'm sure you'll agree with me, this position so close to the harbour is a really rare opportunity, and those views really are to die for, especially on a beautiful sunny day like we have today. So to come and view this property physically, and I'm sure that's going to be a priority on your list, please do call us on 01 271 863 091. Many thanks.